Essential vocabulary for environment and ecology. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most relevant and crucial topics in the world of English language tests: the environment and ecology. This topic is not only vital for exams like TOEFL and IELTS, but also for understanding global discussions and being a part of them. So, whether you're gearing up for a test or just looking to expand your vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Here are some must-know words related to environment and ecology. 1. Biodiversity. The variety of plant and animal life in a particular habitat. 2. Ecosystem. A community of living organisms and their physical environment. 3. Sustainable. Capable of being maintained over the long term without harming the environment. 4. Conservation. The protection of plants, animals, and natural resources. 5. Deforestation. The action of clearing forests. 6. Pollution. The presence of harmful substances in the environment. 7. Greenhouse effect. Warming of the Earth's atmosphere due to trapped heat. 8. Renewable energy. Energy from a source that is not depleted when used. 9. Endangered species. Animals or plants at risk of extinction. 10. Ecological footprint. The impact of human activities on the environment. Now, let's see how we can use these words in sentences. 1. The Amazon rainforest has an incredibly rich biodiversity. 2. Protecting the ecosystem is crucial for the survival of many species. 3. Using solar panels is a sustainable way to generate electricity. 4. Wildlife conservation efforts are helping to save many endangered species. 5. Deforestation is a major concern in many countries due to its impact on climate change. 6. Industrial activities often lead to air and water pollution. 7. The greenhouse effect contributes to global warming. 8. Wind and solar are forms of renewable energy that have minimal impact on the environment. 9. The panda is an example of an endangered species that has been saved through international cooperation. 10. Reducing our ecological footprint is essential for a sustainable future. Understanding synonyms can enrich your vocabulary. Here are some words and their synonyms related to our topic. 1. Biodiversity. Flora and fauna diversity. 2. Conservation. Preservation, protection. 3. Pollution. Contamination, tainting. 4. Greenhouse effect. Thermal trapping, heat trapping effect. 5. Renewable energy. Sustainable energy, clean energy. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on environment and ecology vocabulary. I hope you found this session insightful and that it helps you ace your TOEFL or IELTS exams, and more importantly, to discuss environmental issues confidently. Remember, language is not just about passing exams, but also about connecting with the world around you. Keep learning, and see you next time.